Hello and welcome everyone. This is Kaylin's English podcast. This podcast is designed for English learners. I'm here to help you practice your listening skills. I'm Kaylin, a professional English teacher on italki. Today's topic is idioms. An idiom is a phrase, saying, or a group of words with a metaphorical meaning, which has become accepted in common usage. There are many idioms. These make a language exciting and dynamic. They are fun, and they give you an insight into the speaker's thought processes. I'm going to give you some of the many idioms during this episode, with a definition and some examples of how to use them. This episode should be a piece of cake. Your homework is a piece of cake. My job is a piece of cake. Piece of cake is our first idiom. It means that something is easy to do. Learning English can be a piece of cake, as long as you practice the skills regularly. It is a piece of cake to ride a bike. Do you find something to be a piece of cake? Once in a blue moon, I will travel to see my family. I go to the doctor once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. How often are you sick? Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon, I will eat junk food. I see her once in a blue moon. Being an adult can be no bed of roses. Being at home alone is a bed of roses. Bed of roses means the easy option or a comfortable or luxurious position, or an effortless, happy situation, or a trouble-free living. We can agree that not everything in life is a bed of roses. The life of the royal family is a bed of roses. How can you make your life a bed of roses without working very hard? You are the apple of my eye. He is the apple of her eye. Apple of eye is our next idiom. It means the person who is the favorite, or someone is extremely fond of them, or they are the favored one above others. Are you the apple of someone's eye? We are the apples of our mother's eye. You make all the difference. Having a machine doing this task makes all the difference. That will make all the difference. Make all the difference means to influence someone of something in a positive way. Learning idioms can make all the difference when speaking English. It will make all the difference when a daughter calls their mother. The new evidence brought forth by the detective made all the difference. I am going to pass the buck. That supervisor always passes the buck to the newly hired. Pass the buck is our next idiom. It means passing blame to another person or responsibility, or appoint someone else to be in charge. People always pass the buck to not get punished. I'm going to pass the buck for this project onto my intern. You can pass the buck on to me. I would not mind doing that for you. Look on the bright side. At least you don't have to clean your car today because of the rain. I always try to look on the bright side of life. Look on the bright side means to try to see the good things even in bad situations. It is a way of saying you are staying positive or in a good mood. You need to look on the bright side about the situation. I am looking at the bright side with regards to the bad weather. I get to sleep in late. That is the bright side of getting fired. I am going to clear the air. I love penguins. We need to clear the air with what has happened today. I just want to clear the air. I did not steal a piece of cake. Clear the air means get rid of all doubts and negative feelings, or to clear any misunderstandings between two or more people. It also means to explain something that someone did not understand or clarify something. Also, it means to remove all bad or hard feelings. They had a huge misunderstanding, but decided to clear the air by discussing things frankly. This topic has been a source of confusion. Let's discuss it and clear the air once and for all. You need to zip your lip. Why don't you just zip your lip already? I'm tired of being nagged all morning. Zip your lip means to stop talking, stay calm, to stay hush, or to remain secret or silent. If someone tells you to zip your lip, then they may need you to either stop talking or to keep a secret. I once saw a person steal something, but I just zipped my lip as I was too scared to do anything about it. I need you to zip your lip about this, as I do not want my friend to know about this. Zip your lip, I'm talking on the phone. Do not worry, you can recharge your battery soon, as this episode is almost over. I need to recharge my batteries, as it has been a long day. Recharge one's batteries is our final idiom. It means to take a break, to relax, and gain one's vigor. In other words, to regain your strength and energy by resting for a time. We always need time to refresh ourselves. After all of this hard work, set some time aside to recharge your batteries. It's time to escape somewhere so that I can truly recharge my batteries. Obviously, recharge batteries means to also maybe plug in a device that has a battery to recharge it, but we do use it to mean to relax or rest or to have a break. That is all of the idioms that I have for you today. Before I go, here's a recap of all of the idioms. Piece of cake, once in a blue moon, bed of roses, apple of my eye, make all the difference, pass the buck, look on the bright side, clear the air, zip your lip, and recharge one's batteries. I'm going to pass the buck on to you now to take responsibility in practicing these idioms. I'm going to go recharge my batteries before my next episode. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like more content, then please subscribe to this podcast. You can also support me on Patreon. Find me by typing in Kaylin Teacher. On Patreon, you can gain early access to the podcast and transcriptions. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Kaylin_teacher. Thank you for listening. I hope you all have a great day. Until next time, bye!